Fishkal Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
So guys, I have arrived at Vengurla. Like I've told you, I'm heading towards that Sagareshwar beach. But before that, I always follow a ritual that I always go to a temple of that particular places. So first I'll take blessings from Lord Shiva here. The very old temple here, which I'm going to show you. So please come with me. Come. This is Dev Sagareshwar Mandir. So the Sagareshwar beach which we are supposed to go. Before that, we are visiting this authentic, very old temple here. So we're going to take blessings of God and then we'll move ahead. Please. Bruce. You can see this tree. This is a very old and very old authentic tree. They call it a tree of Umbar. As I am told, I think this is about 200-300 years old.
Fishkal Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
So guys, this is the Sagareshwar beach. We have met Swapnil Devaluskar, who told me, go to the beach and just see. And on my opposite side is his home resort, which I told you earlier that we are going to explore it, and we are also going to taste certain recipes that he is going to make, because his wife is the chef. She runs the kitchen there. So we are going to have amazing fish recipes today. They're going to be made for me specially. And there he comes. So that's Mr. Swapnil Devaluskar. Yeah.
Namaskar, sir.
Okay. So this is Mr. Swapnil, and that is his home resort, Darya Raja. So Swapnil ji, how did you decide to come here, and what was your plan actually? Where are you from here?
Yes, sir.
Or were you from Bombay initially? Tell me that of yours.
एक्चुअली मैं पहले बॉम्बे में था जॉब के लिए.
Okay.
बाद में वहाँ पे कैसे मालूम है, वहाँ का मतलब क्लाइमेट और मेरे को सूट नहीं और अच्छा नहीं लगा रहा था. यहाँ पे कैसे मतलब समुद्र किनारे नेचुरल है यहाँ पे सब कुछ, तो इसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गया. और मेरे को मतलब नौकरी से ज्यादा मतलब बिजनेस में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट था, तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया मुंबई से.
Okay. So he is that native man from here who was in Mumbai city and totally tired of job and other works. His passion for food, like me, and to do hospitality to people, he decided to come here. And now he runs that homestay which is behind me. So guys, this is one of the best time that I'm having on this coastal bed with my fish curry stories, because I'm getting to meet people like Swapnil and others, and I'm really so much happy and I'm so much excited that I'm getting to know lots more about different spices. That is the reason the taste from one coast to the other coast changes, and it is always best. It is always a delicacy to eat. It is not that one taste is different and one taste is not good on the coastal. So the way I keep on traveling, I'm really enjoying my whole journey in this. So guys, keep tuned in. So right now he's going to take me on the same beach outside his home resort, and we are going to cook a very unique fish. That fish name is patsali. That is 5-line snapper. You must have never seen that fish. I never tasted it, but I'm going to taste. I'm at this Sagreshwar beach, which is at Vengurla. And as you had seen earlier, while entering this homestay, I met Mr. Swapnil Deulkar, who owns this homestay. And his wife is the chef here who runs the kitchen and exclusive recipes that she shows around. So today, there is a unique fish recipe that we are going to have for lunch today. And that recipe is basically being caught as a fresh catch today. And for your kind information, this fish, this is a patsali. They call it in Konkan and Marathi. Am I right, ma'am? What is it called?
Patsali.
Patsali. But in English, it is called 5-lined snapper. It has got fine lines on it. And this is a very unique fish, which is not at all available in Bombay or other cities, metro cities, because I don't think so it comes there. I've been told that this fish is only available in Konkan. So people are only, have the knowledge about, or maybe only are trying those kingfish, pomfret, prawns. They don't go beyond this. But this is such a tasty fish, and this fish is specifically only fried, and it is a very, very delicate fish. So they don't use it for any gravy. But this fish fried is a very tasty delicacy. So ma'am, now how are we going to start? Okay, so you're going to keep the cut pieces.
Yes.
Please show them the cut pieces. Just show them this. Okay. So see, this is the cut silver snapper. It is cleaned and kept. Earlier I showed you the whole fish. Now what she is going to do is, she is going to give small cuts on the fish, so she can make a marination, and she will marinate that fish for some time. So first the process was about cleaning, but we have directly kept the cleaned fish here. Yeah, see. These thin lines actually made into this fish. What happens is the marination that is applied to it, it actually soaks inside the fish completely, and the fish actually starts capturing all the spices that have been applied on it. So when it goes into your mouth, it is like absolute delicacy. There, it's done. This fish is going to be my afternoon lunch today actually. I'm going to feast here. Rather than lunch, I'm going to taste the fish as it is.
Okay then.
Okay. Now the second step is, ma'am, just tell me what are those things. Acha, this is
Agar.
agar, kokum agar. Okay. This is the Garcinia indica, that is kokum. This is the syrup derived from that kokum fruit, which we call in English as Garcinia indica. So this syrup is there. Then we have turmeric, a pinch of turmeric to apply for the marination. Then we have this
Ginger garlic.
ginger garlic. Is there any coriander in it? Kothimir?
Yeah, kothimir.
Okay, so it is okay. Even chilies. So this is ginger, garlic, coriander, and green chilies. There's a paste about 1.5 teaspoonful of paste in it, and
Machi masala.
this is the fish masala. This fish masala, like I earlier told you, it always comes with Shankeshwari chilies. They are called those Indian
Bedgi.
long chilies, Bedgi chilies again. बेडगी आर द चिलीज विच आर बेसिकली कशा असतात त्या जाड्या
जाडे असतात मोठे.
आणि तिखट असतात का? त्या कुठनं येतात? त्या साऊथ वरनं येतात का?
त्या साईड इकडनं येतात कोल्हापूर त्या side.
Okay, Kolhapur. Okay. So there is this chili that's called bedgi, which comes from Kolhapur. They're not that spicy, but they give a nice color also and a taste also. That is the what you say, the origin of this fish masala. And I think so. There is even a dry coriander seeds also that are grinded into this chilies. So it is dry coriander seeds. And your red chili like bedgi, long red chilies and Shankeshwari chilies. All these chilies mixed together. This is the powder that is made for fish masala. Okay, ma'am. Now, what are you going to do now?
मैं मैरिनेशन करना है.
Acha, you will marinate it like that. Okay. So please see the process of marination. Look at the Garcinia indica syrup in which the fishes are getting
Meat.
rolled. Okay. Yeah. Salt. Yeah, salt. Please get the salt. Then the second step is she'll apply.
टर्मरिक.
Okay. Now we'll go this magic spice that is called the fish masala, made from these 3 chilies, different chilies and dry coriander seeds grinded together in the powder form. Green chili, coriander and ginger garlic paste.
Salt.
And salt. We are just waiting for the salt. Once the salt comes in, then we can go ahead. No problem. We have madla bag thoda cut kare. So as you see, the applied spices on it are wonderful. I think this fish is going to be tasted nicely. Here comes the salt.
ओके डन. हे आम्ही मिक्स कर.
ओके. तुम्ही वर हातात घेऊ शकता. वर घेऊन प्लेट. Here. Look at the whole marination getting rubbed onto the fishes properly. There. Now this fish will need to be settled for some time, at least for 15-20 minutes. Am I right?
Yes.
So what will happen in that time? The fish will get nicely soaked into it and it will try to absorb all the flavors of that spice. So what I'm going to do is, in the meantime, as it is going to take 15-20 minutes, ma'am, I will just go out for a stroll at the beach. As you have seen it earlier, this beach is beautiful. Fifteen 20 minutes have been done. I'll just show. Look at this marination. Nicely done onto the fishes. Now once, Acha, we are going to directly fry it or what? Any other application on it?
रवा आणि हे राईस फ्लावर.
Okay. Semolina and rice flour is again always applied on the fish. It's like, I always tell, like the Westerners, when you make those other products like fried chicken and all, they always use those panko coatings or maybe those breadcrumb coatings. But in our Konkan local ethnic style, what we do is we always use rice flour and semolina. So nor does the rice flour burn, nor does the semolina burn, and at the same time the marination on it remains intact. So ma'am, you can start frying it. The oil pan has also started to heat up, and there they go into the coating of semolina and rice flour. So the oil pan has been heated nicely now, and the fishes have been that silver, the 5-lined snapper has been coated with the rice flour and semolina. Now we'll let it in the pan. Yeah, and in goes our fish. There. This fish is actually shallow fried, so we will nicely fry it on one side, then it will be turned over on the other side, and the third part is it will be in my mouth. Yeah, because of the breeze, you can see the heat is taking a little longer time to heat up the oil in the pan, but it's okay. Longer the wait, more the fish will be delicious. पण हे मासे कोकणामध्येच मिळतात ना, बाहेर कुठ? ओके ओके. या मिस्टर स्वप्नील देऊलकर. No, I was asking him because this is a fish which is only available in Konkan. It is not available elsewhere. Okay, okay. So we'll wait for this actually breeze, or maybe we can keep this plate like that. So it, so they're just doing this for the flame, you know. But it's too windy at the beach side. So because of that, we are trying to manage it. Now it's picking up, yeah. This is a wonderful experience. Sitting outside the
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
Now it has picked up properly. For afternoon lunch, he has kept some other unique fish recipe for me. This is basically my breakfast, you know. This early morning that I've come in, and since this was a fresh catch, and I'd never had this opportunity to have this silver line, this 5-lined snapper, patsali. So I said I'll have it for my breakfast only as soon as I've come. And for lunch, then there is another unique fish which I will disclose in my part 2.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
See, look at that.
थोड़ी बाहर की साइड में
हे मासे एकदम नाजूक असतात वाटतं.
नाजूक.
Very delicate fish. These fish are very delicate. And that is the reason the coating of rice flour and semolina on it keeps that fish intact with that marination like a crispy wafer. So now the fish that was patsali fish, which we just fried it right now, 5-lined snapper is ready. And I'm thankful to Mr. Swapnil Deolkar and ma'am for making this beautiful recipe and cuisine for me. I'm going to taste this fish a bit and let you know what the taste like. Wow, no fishy taste. Very nicely cooked. The spices are also marinated nicely on it, and the flesh of the fish also is like, you know, it's a very tender and sweet, like coconut. Wow. Sir, तुम्ही पण टेस्ट करा. You also have. Ma'am,
Nice fish.
thank you so much. Very nice, very nice. So guys, wait till my next episode where I'll be going for the lunch and show you my lunch recipe that they're going to make for me. Again, a unique kind of a fish recipe you will get to know. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next episode. See you.